Students, welcome back in the 18th century. The policy of Aurangzeb were one of the main reasons for the decline of the Mughal Empire. Religious policy of Aurangzeb. His religious orthodoxy had separated him from the vast majority of the Hindu populations like Jat, Sikh, the Rajput and the Marathas. Aurangzeb imposed jizya tax on all the non-Muslim in the country. Religious policies of Aurangzeb were discriminatory towards the Hindu, the Sikh and other non-Muslim. Hindu officials, they were dismissed from their office and allowed to stay in the court who agreed to accept Islam. Hindu temples were destroyed and in their place mosques were built. A number of schools attached to the temple were shut down. The brave Rajput could not tolerate such an insult and this led to the Rajput War. The execution of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was led to the alienation of the Sikh. Deccan policy of Aurangzeb's Deccan policy, it gave a death blow to the Mughal Empire. His Deccan policy, it caused the destruction of some of their best soldiers and undermined the power and the prestige of the empire. Aurangzeb destroyed the Siah kingdom of Bijapur and Golconda and waged a long war against the Marathas. Aurangzeb's absence from the north for over 25 years and his failure to bring Maratha under his control led to the decline of administration. He did not attain his duties in the North India and the court became a center of conspiracies. This allowed the ambitious nobles to become powerful. Rules of the nobles. So there were four groups of nobles in the Mughal court. Iranis, they came from Persia or modern Iran. Turanis, they belong from Transoxania, from Central Asia. Afghans, they came from Afghanistan and Hindustani from India. So these four noble groups, they fought among themselves for more jagirs and high offices. Their selfishness and lack of devotion to the state and this in turn gave birth to corruption in administration and in mutual disagreement. So they planned conspiracies to overthrow or remove the king and to raise the rival candidates. The frequent changes of rulers, it caused political instability. This allowed province to break away and also attracted foreign invasions. Rules of the later Mughals. Aurangzeb's successor, they were called the later Mughals. So in the absence of any fixed rule of successions, the Mughal dynasty was always in trouble after the death of a king by a civil war among the princes. Here you can see the list of the rulers. Bahadur Shah first, Jahadar Shah, Farooq Shah, Muhammad Shah, Ahmad Shah, Alamgir second, Shah Alam second, Akbar second, Bahadur Shah second. So these were the important among the other rulers. So these rulers were the successor of Aurangzeb, which were totally weak and incompetent. as they were not capable as the great Mughals, and the conspiracy of their nobles made it more difficult for them to rule efficiently. Under them, the Mughal, it broke up, and the Mughal rule it ultimately came to an end in the year 1857.